Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Gelnailsuk UK very kindly sent me the BlueSky 2018 Autumn Winter collection of gel polishes, and in this second part video I'll be swatching and reviewing the final 6 gel polishes. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, and a massive thank you to Gelnailsuk UK for sending me these beautiful gel polishes. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. Here are all 12 of them. I've already swatched the top row, and you can find a link for the BlueSky playlist on my channel in the description box below. And I'm going to be swatching the bottom row in this video. I'm going to be using the BlueSky No Wipe top coat along with their matte top coat for the swatches. The swatches on me, I've also used the BlueSky base coat as well. This matte top coat does have a sticky layer which needs to be removed to finish the nail. So I'm going to be doing 2 swatches of each colour onto pop sticks, one glossy and one matte. But you'll also see these swatches on my nails as well. So as I said in the first video, they are 10ml bottles and they are UV and LED curable. They also have information on the backs of the bottles as well. For curing, I'm going to be using the Sun 5 48 watt UV and LED lamp to cure. This I actually purchased from Gelnailsuk UK a while back, and it is an amazing lamp. Now, I do think they only ship to the UK, but they are an authorised distributor of BlueSky gel polishes. So on to the colours, and this is AW1807 Blast from the Past, which is a lovely burgundy colour, an absolute classic colour for autumn. Now, this does seem to be coming across on video and pictures more brown than burgundy, but in person it is definitely burgundy. Next we have AW1808 Elegant Swing, and this is a fantastic pillar box red. Again, another classic for autumn and winter manis. It's a real striking colour. Next we have AW1809 Eccentric Flair, which is the most brightest neon orange I think I've ever seen. This is going to be great for Halloween manis, but also leaf manis as well. But I also think it's going to be pretty amazing for bright summer manis. Next we have AW1810 Vigorous U, and this is a beautiful dark teal green colour. I adore greens, and this is going to create beautiful leaf floral manis. I would even wear this in spring and summer as well. Next we have AW11 Powerful Glow, and this is definitely a favourite for me. It's a beautiful vibrant purple. People who love purple will love this colour, and it's going to be well used by me. And finally we have AW1812 Sea of Love, which is a fantastic royal blue. All of the consistencies, as you've seen, are the same. Beautiful creamy gel polishes, some brilliant colours. So let's get swatching. So I'll go in the same order again, and I'll start with AW1807 Blast from the Past, and I'll apply my first layer. I'll then cure that in my lamp. I'll then apply my second layer and cure, and I'll top coat when I've finished them all. Now curing, because these colours are all quite pigmented, I'm curing them for 60 seconds. They can be cured for 30 seconds, but I just like to give them a little longer, then I don't have any curing issues. I've started doing this recently with more pigmented colours, and it really does help. But this is a very pretty autumnal colour, and it is still showing a little more brown than burgundy though. The swatches on my nails are just 2 coats to be fully opaqued. The middle fingers on all of the swatches are matte, and for me Blast from the Past will work glossy and matte. It's just beautiful. Now if you saw my last video, you'll have already seen this mani, but I've stamped over the top with a pearl white stamping polish, which I just love the combination together. Very pretty. Next we have AW18 Elegant Swing, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. For me, everyone needs a classic red in their gel polish collection. It works any time of the year, but especially autumn and winter manis. Golds, silvers, pearl whites are going to work so well teamed with Elegant Swing. It does have a slight undertone of orange. It is very, very slight though. I think this will probably be my Christmas mani colour, and I can tell that it's going to be super popular. Sometimes reds need to have a few layers to really get the red colour opaque, but when you see the swatches on my nails, this is 2 coats and it's stunning. I could have gone in for a third, but to be fair, I didn't think it needed it. And whether it's matte or glossy, you'll have a beautiful red base for any nail art. So I went with the classic red black lace for this mani. The stamping plate that I've used will be coming to my channel very, very soon, but I love this, and you can really see all of the red underneath the black, but the black still stands out. It's gorgeous. Next we have AW1809 Eccentric Flair. A bright orange like this isn't everyone's cup of tea. It's a very vibrant neon orange, classic for Halloween. I'm not sure what I would team this colour with, to be fair. Now, I've only done 2 coats on the pop sticks, and that's what I tend to do. But this is still a little patchy in places. So I've done the swatches on my nails slightly different. So when you see the swatches on my nails, the thumb I went with 3 coats, which turned out to be a good coverage, but a little on the bulky side. Now the ring finger, the 2 coats I've actually applied it over AW1804 Pure Harmony, which was in the last video of the BlueSky gel polishes, and it's a creamy white, and this helps bright neon colours to pop more. The other fingers are just 2 coats. Now if I was adding nail art over the top, you could easily get away with 2 coats. So again, the stamping is from an upcoming video, but to calm down the bright orange, as I'm not a fan of bright oranges, I found with time that burgundies work really well. This is a colour combo I could use for summer or autumn manis. I really do like how this has turned out, and it's really calmed that orange down really nicely. Next we have AW10 Vigorous U, a beautiful deep rich wintry green. It's going to be another very popular colour. I would probably team this with golds and light greens for leaf design manis. I have quite a few shades of greens, and I have nothing like this one. It's so pretty, but it'll also make a gorgeous Christmas mani as well. So the swatches on my nails are just 2 coats. To be fair, it didn't need anything more than 2 to be fully opaque. Again, matte or glossy, it will make a fabulous base for any mani, whether it's spring, summer, autumn or winter. So again, stamping is from another upcoming swatch video coming very soon to my channel, and it had some layering designs, and I really like layering designs. So I've used 2 different shades of greens, a light green and a dark teal green, that has worked so well over Vigorous U. I really like this. It's something very different, but it's very eye-catching though. Next we have AW1811 Powerful Glow. Now you might see me lifting the pop stick up to the light, and that's me checking the coverage. I'm not a fan of being able to see through my nailed tip. Powerful Glow was almost a one coater, but what a beautiful purple. I can also sort of see that this has maybe a slight blue hint to it. It might just be me, but again, this is going to be a super popular colour. I would team Powerful Glow with light purples, silvers or pearl white, but again, it's a stunning colour to have in anyone's collection. So the swatches on my nails are again just 2 coats, and it was full coverage, and whether you choose matte or glossy, it's going to make a beautiful mani. I do, however, personally prefer glossy though. I'm just more of a glossy girl than a matte. So again, stamping is from an upcoming video to my channel. I do actually believe it's the next video coming, so make sure you have the notification bell on for that video. I've used a light and a dark purple for the stamping, and over Powerful Glow it works so well. I was so impressed with this mani. I didn't want to take it off. I loved it that much. It's a beautiful combination. And finally, AW1812 Sea of Love, a classic rich deep royal blue. This will be another great Christmas mani colour. I see plenty of snowflake manis with Sea of Love, but also with its title being Sea of Love, I also see sea manis too. It will also work well with whites, light blues, silvers. I also wonder about a gold as well. I'm looking forward to adding all 12 of these colours to my swatching box to see what they look like with different colours over the top of them. They're really going to add something really great to Christmas manis, and I think it's about 10 or 12 Christmas stamping plates due to come to my channel starting in 2 weeks time, and these colours are going to look fab with them. So the swatch on my nails, again, just like the others, are 2 coats. They have all applied so well. I'm highly impressed with them. I like it matte, but for me there is something about it glossy that I just love. It's gorgeous. Again, this stamping plate is from an upcoming stamping plate video, but I chose a light blue stamping polish and lace, and I love the look of this. I really enjoy wearing blues, so Sea of Love is going to be very popular with me, but I can also see it very popular with everybody else as well. So I have really enjoyed using these BlueSky Autumn Winter 2018 collection of gel polishes. They are some stunning colours, highly pigmented, great application. For me, I sort of see this as an all year round collection. You've got the light pastel colours going through to the bright colours and ending with the deep dark wintry colours. If you're just starting out with BlueSky gel polishes, this would actually be a really good collection to start with. It has everything from the lights to the darks and everything in between. You can't go wrong with a great collection like this. I'm looking forward to using these for more manis in the future, so make sure you're following me on Instagram because you'll see them over there. All of these swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, and the manis will follow as well with what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. Also, make sure you check out Gelnailsuk UK as well. There is links to their social media as well. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on the 2018 BlueSky Autumn Winter collection of gel polishes that Gelnailsuk UK have very kindly sent to me. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.